So here's my new double decker desk. Don't mind that it sounds like a war zone out there. It's the 4th of July and fireworks are legal here. So I'm still organizing. So there's still boxes and stuff. This shelf has a lot of my coloring mediums and stuff. These are totally Tiffany organizers, and I love them. So when you come in, again, I gotta organize all this stuff eventually. This is one of my favorites. These all pull out, and that's some of my ribbon. I gotta move all this stuff again to have room. That's an IKEA shelf that just barely fits in there. It's got my mostly t-shirt supplies and some other things. I decided to move my heat press here so I could put my Alex drawer underneath here. And I stacked my scan and cut, my printer, and my Cricut so I can just pull them back to use them. Those are the birthday cards I got from the birthday club that I belong to. Pretty cool. And that shelf is really just two put together. Yeah, it's really loud out there. I'm sorry. So the double decker desk is what I'm really, really proud of. So these are 4-inch Capita legs, essentially. So that's some of my 12 by 12 paper that I use. My portable keyboard and my mouse. My heat gun, I keep it plugged in, ready to go. Right next to my double decker storage of embossing powders. Yeah, I've got a ton. I'm not sure why they're switched. My favorite ones are the Brutus Monroe ones, and they're down here. My tape gun I keep there, usually with my paper cutter, but I've been using that today. So there's my TV where I can watch stuff. And the desk is sitting on 2 Alex drawers, one on either side. And then this is a Linnamon top times 2, the 78-inch ones. Another one of my most favorite things is this shelf, which I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of rubberized. And of course it's a shelf. And it's got all of these little, I think I counted 27 one time, I don't remember. But these are the Art Bin magnetic organizers that are supposed to go in that portable container. And it's just too heavy for me. So, this is, I used to have my heat press on top of this. It's got some various things in there. My secondary monitor for my computer screen is on one of those stand-up desks from IKEA. And my closet is essentially a built-in, see, again, kind of messy. I was thinking about waiting to do this tour, and then I thought, no, I'm gonna be real. It's a really messy. You know, I have fibromyalgia and myofascial pain syndrome, so sometimes it's all I can do to get in here and work. Lots and lots of paper. These shelves come from Target, and if you can tell, these come out if you want to. So like this one, I didn't put them in, and they hold the 12 by 12 paper. So, but again, I have to organize that to get rid of the clutter and actually make the space usable. I now have another chair so that somebody can sit on this side and craft, you know, when I clean off the table. There's another one of those pull outs, and I have that box over there is full of vinyl that is going to go in there. Let me show you. I basically had to buy them on Amazon because nobody in the store sold them. Tension rods. And they are small enough to fit within this. I took out all the shelves that had they were for thread, because this is a sewing cabinet. My next goal is to get this baby filled up. I've got so many pages that need to go in there. My scrap rack, and you know, I like these because I can take them to my workspace. This is a shelf I got at Hobby Lobby, which is awesome. Most of my stamps are on this, so I can move it, you know, out as I need to. And then my die cuts are, well, my embossing folders are here. And this I just move as needed. So yeah, it's kind of a messy progress, but progress nonetheless. My other paper trimmers on the back there. And I still have a whole bunch of room on the other side. So, pretty useful storage. And now my goal is just to clear out the rest of the clutter. So, yeah, just a quick little update on my craft tour.